Folding phones, though still niche, are becoming increasingly popular. Samsung has been at the forefront of this trend, now on its 6th generation with the release of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 stands out as the premium option, featuring a stunning 7.6-inch interior AMOLED display. A phone of this caliber deserves top-notch accessories. Whether you're in need of a simple case or charger, or looking to enhance your experience, we've compiled a list of the 9 best accessories to pair with your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The SUPCASE UB Pro case is exclusively designed for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, providing 360-degree full-body protection that meets military-grade standards for drop-proof and shock-proof durability. It includes a front screen frame with a built-in high-sensitive 9H tempered glass screen protector and a sturdy back protective shell with a foldable kickstand, ensuring your device is shielded from everyday bumps, scratches, accidental drops, and impact damage. Additionally, the case features full-body hinge protection, a built-in S-Pen holder, and supports wireless charging, so you don't need to remove the case for charging. The integrated kickstand allows for hands-free viewing in both half and full screen modes and can double as a ring holder without adding extra bulk. The Spigen Easy Fit tempered glass for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 includes an innovative auto-alignment installation kit, ensuring effortless application of the front screen protector. This tempered glass protector boasts a 9H hardness rating, providing exceptional durability and protection. An oleophobic coating resists daily fingerprints, maintaining a clean and clear screen. With extreme clarity, it preserves the original screen brightness. Designed to be compatible with every Spigen Galaxy Z Fold 6 case, this screen protector is specifically engineered to fit the Galaxy Z Fold 6 perfectly. If you need a reliable wall charger that can power multiple devices, including your Galaxy Z Fold 6, consider the Anker Ace wall charger. It features a Type-C port that provides up to 45 watts of output, making it powerful enough to charge your phone, tablet, or even a laptop. Equipped with 10 safety enhancements, such as short-circuit protection, high-voltage protection, and temperature control, this charger ensures a secure and worry-free charging experience for all your devices. The Spigen ArcPack power bank is a compact yet powerful solution with a generous 10,000 mAh capacity tailored for Galaxy Z Fold 6 and more. Experience lightning-fast PD/PPS 30 watts high-speed charging through its Type-C port, supporting power delivery 3.0 and PPS up to 25 watts for swift device replenishment. Its sleek, portable design fits effortlessly into your pocket, combining durability with style for travel, outdoor adventures, concerts, and everyday use. Each ArcPack USB-C power bank includes a 3.3 feet USB-C to USB-C cable, storage pouch, and user manual, ensuring you have everything needed for convenient charging on the go. Discover the Voppton Z Fold folding stand with keyboard set accessories, compatible with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series. The Bluetooth-enabled magnetic keyboard is detachable from the folding stand for wireless convenience and is powered by a rechargeable battery with Type-C charging. A 360-degree rotating base transforms your Z Fold into a desktop monitor, adjustable for optimal viewing angles. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, the stand ensures stability with rubber pads to protect your device. It includes a wireless ergonomic mouse for comfort and a capacitive touch pen for precise input on Z Fold devices. This 4-in-1 set includes a wireless keyboard, foldable aluminum stand, wireless mouse, and capacitance pin, ideal for business, study, home, office, and travel, enhancing productivity and versatility for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold users. A great phone deserves a great smartwatch. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, our favorite Android smartwatch, is the perfect match for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. With its sleek, classic design, it not only looks stylish but also boasts modern smart connectivity, a suite of excellent apps, and comprehensive health tracking features. Samsung also makes great earbuds, and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is their latest offering and the best earbuds you can get. They deliver excellent sound quality, offer a comfortable in-ear fit, and feature noise-canceling technology for an uninterrupted listening experience. Additionally, they sync seamlessly with your Galaxy phone for hands-free media playback, calls, and more. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 supports a stylus, though it doesn't come with one. The Galaxy S Pen Fold Edition is an excellent choice. This slim stylus features over 4,000 pressure levels, providing precise control for writing and drawing when your fingers aren't enough. Plus, it doesn't require charging, making it a convenient and reliable tool for all your creative and productivity needs. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is an excellent mobile gaming phone, powerful enough to run demanding games like Fortnite. However, to fully enjoy gaming on this device, you need a good mobile controller, and most options aren't ideal for a folding phone like this. The Razer Kishi Ultra is the perfect solution. It is specifically designed to accommodate the Galaxy Z Fold 6 or even a small tablet, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. With the Razer Kishi Ultra, you can transform your phone into a handheld gaming machine, providing a more immersive and enjoyable gaming experience wherever you go. That's all for today. Do you think these accessories are worth buying for your Galaxy Z Fold 6? Let us know in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this,